Hey guys, we're doing some upgrades to the workshop today. As you can see, it's completely chaotic, just stuff everywhere. But the biggest problem is that it is so dark in here. I don't know if it really shows up on the camera because the camera does such a good job of trying to correct for crap light, but it is pretty dark in here. The only lights that we have is one LED batten tube over there and a twin one over here, and this is probably the brightest part of the workshop, but everywhere where there's not a light it really is dim. And also the electrics are going to have a little bit of an upgrade as well, because I don't think that's going to cut it. So, what do we have planned? What we have here is 10 V-tac 1800mm long LED grill lights, which are like a really slim LED batten. Each one is 7200 lumens, and we've got 10 of those. So that should liven things up a little bit. Also got some cabling, switch plugs, Wago boxes. We're going to try those rather than the conventional, distribution blocks with chocolate blocks in. Some switches. Right, so let's get all this fitted up here. Right, this will either go in a ball of fire or everything will work. All of the LED battens are wired up through the switch, through a distribution block, through the Wago block, and I've put in a couple of plug sockets as well, sorted out the wiring at the other end, and then turn this on, and you guys will be the first to see either immense illumination and everything works, no illumination and fire and smoke, or part illumination, because some of them work and some of them don't. The little connectors they're the ones that came with the batten. I'm not keen on them. I'll probably change them out to something a little bit better. So if a few of the lights don't work, it might be because of those connectors, but we shall see. So right, this circuit's now on. So if I hit the switch, wow, that's a bit bright. Working heck. Woo, I did a thing. Right, I'm going to tidy up some of this wiring and I'll bring you back. So I reckon we could probably see this workshop from space now, with its mighty 72,000 lumens. That certainly does make working on stuff inside so much nicer, because you're not constantly casting shadow. So there we go. I can highly recommend these lights. They're nice and slim, so you're not going to whack your head on it if you've got a low ceiling. Easy to fit, super easy to fit, and quite the output. It's a nice colour as well. It's not, you know, super clinical white, and it's not you know, yellowy. It's just natural, like daylight, like sunlight. It's really nice. And we tidied up the electrics as well. That's sort of a master on off for the lights. That's the main distribution. The Wago there, box with the Wago connectors in, that's just for the lights, because it's all just simple 2-core stuff, so it's just a case of distributing it. We've got a few plug sockets in, one there, one up the far end there, and then over there that we done earlier. There. So there we go. Right, that's it guys. I'll see you on the next one.